Today, I drive it myself. No fear. I can do this. Let's go. Almost there. Stay steady. I need to check. Are you okay? Don't be scared. It's okay. I'm here. It's okay. I'll take you somewhere safe. You're safe now. You're safe now. Stay together. It's warm here. We're almost there. You'll ride with me. Don't worry. I'll take you somewhere safe. We're going home. Come on, move! Go! Go! Geo! Oh, no! You shouldn't stay here. I'll keep you safe. Stay here. I'll fix it. Hello? Please help me. My tractor is damaged. It's stuck in the mud. I can't move it. Please come quickly. I need help.
Hold on! I'm coming! Hold on! Coming! Can't see!
Don't worry. Help is coming. You're safe with me.
Hold on, I'm almost there!
Don't worry. I will fix everything.
Will it work?
Yes, we will pull it out. We did it!
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Another rescue complete.
Let's go home, little friends. Don't worry, little ones. I will take you somewhere safe.
This is your safe home.
Let's make you clean again. Now you look perfect. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
This coconut garden is huge. Let's explore it together.
All right. Time to climb and collect some fresh coconuts.
Wow, look at all these coconuts. All right, let's climb up and get those coconuts.
Hello. I am very injured. Please help me.
Okay, stay calm. I will come in 5 minutes.
Little one, I'm on my way.
Don't worry, I'm here to help you. I won't worry. I will take care of your injury.
Stay calm. This bandage will help your leg feel better.
Don't worry. I will take you safely home. Wow! Look at those coconuts up there!
Now this is to get coconuts.
Wow! I collected so many coconuts today! Today was a great harvest. Let's clean these coconuts before using them.
Fresh coconut water is ready.
This coconut water is so refreshing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Morning, everyone. Welcome back.
Let's start the tractor and get the farm ready. Let's go. Time to work.
Wow! Farming is so much fun! Let's prepare the whole field.
Look! Perfect rows for planting. Let's make the whole field ready.
Time to plant the wheat seeds. Let's grow a big, healthy crop. Now we need water for the seeds. Let's set up the irrigation system.
Good morning. Let's check our dairy farm. Our cows look healthy and have green grass for everyone. Eat well, my friends.
Fresh water for everyone. Drink well and stay healthy.
It's harvest time. Let's harvest the whole field.
Great job. The harvest is complete. Time to go home and rest.
Look at all this wheat. Let's fill every bag with fresh grain.
Load all the wheat. Great. The trolley is full.
Let's take the wheat to the market. Our harvest is ready to sell. We made it to the market. Let's sell our wheat.
Hello, Joni. I brought the best wheat from my farm.
This is excellent wheat. I will buy it for $20,000.
Deal. Thank you.
What a great day at the market. Time to go home and rest.
Here's fresh wheat straw for everyone. Eat well and stay healthy.
This will be great milk.
Wow! So much fresh milk today. Let's fill all the milk cans.
Milk is ready for delivery.
Let's deliver the fresh milk to the market. Everyone will love this milk.
I brought fresh milk from my dairy farm.
This milk is excellent. I will buy it for $10,000.
Deal. Thank you.
Here is your payment. $10,000.
Thank you. The milk from our farm is the best.
Today was a great day at the market. Time to go home.
Fresh milk from my farm. Let's make a delicious milk drink. Fresh strawberries. Perfect for my milk drink. Now let's add the strawberries. This will be a delicious strawberry milk drink.
Let's blend the strawberry milk. This is going to be delicious.
Fresh strawberry milk juice. This looks so delicious.
This strawberry milk is delicious. Fresh from my farm.
What a beautiful day in the garden. I love playing here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. I have an idea. Yes, that's it. I will try it. This will be amazing. I did it.
Almost there.
Let's go.
I should stop here. Perfect place.
Oh no! It's eating so fast! I must stop it! This is my field.
There must be a way. I can solve this. I got it. I know what to do.
Time to go home.
Pests in crops. This will protect the field.
Ocean. We'll fix it. I need natural ingredients. This will help. Let's prepare it. The field will be safe. It will work. Crush it well. This will protect the crops. Ready for the field. This is strong. Every drop counts. Perfect natural spray. Now the field is safe.
Time to protect. Natural and safe. It's working. The field is safe now.
Grow strong. Fresh water helps.
It's harvest time. Strong and healthy. Good work.
Bundle. All done. Let's head home.
Time to drive.
Good harvest today.
Good harvest today. Hard work pays off. I'm proud of this field. This is my farm.
Home at last. Safe and sound. Good day's work. I did my best. Fresh and sweet. And steady.
It's getting thick. Oh no!
I'll do it right.
Slow and steady.
It's working. Wow, it's huge.
So sweet and fluffy.
Fresh sweet candy. Come and taste. Today's special, 70% off. Cheers!
Here you go, sweet and fresh.
Like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.
Oh my god! for watching. Are you okay?
Thank you very much.